Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw my sweet piano from Sanrio. So let's get started. To draw this cute Sanrio sheep, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and start with an oval. And now that I have this oval in, I'm going to come right across nice and wide, say about right here, and draw another oval. There. So now with my two ovals in, I'm going to come in the top right here and just put in a highlight and shade it all in. And same thing over here. Just to add some spark to her eyes. But of course, if you don't like the highlight, you can just shade it all in like the original. Okay, so now that my two ovals in, let's come in between the eyes and we're going to draw a little nose. So about right here, kind of in the center. Just like my melody. So we're going to draw a little oval nose, and then underneath this nose, we're going to draw a sweet smile. So right underneath it, just draw this curve and cap it off. There. And then from there, we need to frame the face. So we're going to be drawing a lot of curves to make this sheep very, very fluffy. So right in the center, let's say not too high, about right here, I'm going to start with a curve. Right in the center. Just one fluffy center curve. Then from there, I'm going to draw, let's see here, 1, 2, 3, coming down around the eye. So 1, and then close to the eye, and another one. So same thing over here. So we're just going to start to frame around the eyes. So about right here, same thing, just like the other side. And out. There. And then from there, now that we have those curves in, we need to draw a big curve underneath. So I'm going to give myself a point, let's say about right here, just so I know where I'm going with my curve. And about right here, I'm just going to drag this point across, make sure I'm about the same area. And I'm going to go ahead and connect it with this wide curve. So because I'm drawing pretty big, it's just so much easier to see where I'm going with these points. So same thing about right here, and we're going to go back up. There. So I'll come back in here, just try to fix my curve. So definitely turn your body or the paper if it helps you to draw that curve better. Okay, so now that I have the face framed up, let's come to the sides right here, right next to this curve, and we're going to draw an ear. So about right here, I'm going to go ahead and just pop in this long curve and bring it right back in. Right about there. So same thing on the other side. About right there, right next to this curve. And I'm just going to pop in these ears. There. So I have these two ears, and let's go ahead and connect it. So we're going to come to about right here on both sides. We're just going to come one big curve and then another one that just tapers in. Yeah, a little bit more poof. There. So same thing over here. One big curve and then another one that just tapers in. Then the top. So we're just going to imagine this is coming through, and about right here, we're going to go ahead and start and draw a bunch of curves. So we're just kind of aiming for this round shape right here. So I'm going to go up, and I'll just go up on this side as well, just so I can kind of see where I'm going a little bit easier. And then let's keep going. So one. And it looks like we're going to be heading towards the center. So let's find kind of like our center area about right here. We'll just pop in one big curve. That way it's just a little bit more even and easier to draw this big head. just come back in here, and then so same thing on the other side. One, so now you have something to follow, so a little bit easier, and then one bigger one to connect everything. There. Okay, so now that we're done with the head, let's go ahead and draw the cute little body. So I'm going to skip some space about right here, come right back down, and same thing here, about here. And I'm going to go ahead and start the body. So it's all a bunch of curves. 1, 2, so same thing here. Just want to make this sheep very fluffy. And I'm going to have one that maybe pops out a little bit more. And then we're going to bring it in. And then let's find our center. So let's say about right here. Give myself a point. And from there, I'm going to separate so we know where the legs are. So we're going to come down, go one curve, and another curve. So same thing here. One curve, and another one to connect everything. Oops, let's bring that in a little bit more. There. So we have the legs, and then we can draw the cute little feet. So about right here, towards the center, I'm just going to draw this cute little ovalish shape. And the back heel, and just connect. And then about right here, we're just going to add in a little curve. So same thing here. And here. So just drawing this kind of ovalish shape and put in a curve right there to make it look like a hoof. And then now for the arms, let's come back into this area right here, and we're going to draw 3 curves again. So 1, 2, and 3, and then just connect everything. And then right here, just put in a little curve for a hand. So same thing on this side, but right there, 1, 2, 3, and right here, connect everything. And a little hand. And now that we're pretty much done with the drawing, I'm going to add a little heart right here in the center to make this my Draw So Cute, My Sweet Piano from Sanrio. I really hope you love how this cute little sheep turned out and that I helped you draw her fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.